During the winter, when the heat is on, or if you live in a dry climate and the air in your home is in need of a moisture boost, a whole house humidifier is the perfect solution. Unlike traditional humidifiers, whole house humidifiers are installed in your ductwork and provide soothing moisture to your entire home. Honeywell's whole house humidifiers are among the most popular solutions on the market. Easy to install and maintain, a single Honeywell unit can provide soothing moisture in buildings up to 4,500 square feet. Just use the included humidistat to adjust your humidity level. The handy chart on the controller takes the guesswork out of choosing the right settings. Once installed, Honeywell whole house humidifiers provide a constant supply of fresh, humidified air into your entire space, allowing your whole family to feel healthier and more comfortable. They do this by attaching to your ductwork and connecting to your water supply. When the humidistat senses a need for humidity, warm air from your furnace passes through the pad. A water valve opens and moistens the pad, and the humidified air is released throughout your home. Humidifying your air helps prevent dry sinuses, scratchy throats, cracked lips, and dry skin. It also helps protect your home's interior foundation and furnishings. Proper humidification can even make your home feel warmer, which allows you to turn down your thermostat and save money on energy costs. Here at Sylvane, we recommend Honeywell whole house humidifiers because of their easy installation, low maintenance, and set it and forget it operation. Still have questions? Call or email our friendly air treatment experts, and we'll be happy to help you choose the right humidifier for your space.